Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio volume, radio station and radio source. Thanks to these buttons we can answer end calls and activate voice assistant. Thanks to info button we can change menu on the instrument cluster. Now take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control, speed limiter, and we can manage them. We can also change distance from the following car for adaptive cruise control. In the end, if you want to use horn, press here. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.